We do have 730 aircraft. We're proud. We operate every single one. Airbus, Boeing, we bring them all. Certainly introduces plenty of complexity for our business.
What our customers need are shorter turn times. So an airplane on the ground is an airplane not making money, and when they bring it into a hangar visit, they want it to go as quickly as possible.
The key word is availability. So what we want is to increase availability, is to reduce turnaround time. Reducing turnaround time means that we can reduce costs, we can increase revenue, so at the end we have more profit for the organization.
We had no project plans. So we were just a get-her-done company. See, some of you, same boat. And we had major communications breakdowns. Everybody thought that everybody else knew what they were supposed to be doing, and really nobody was driving the boat. So we had some huge challenges to overcome.
If the guys from the engine shop receive a request for TAP from the hangars, from the maintenance hangar, and they receive a request for a third party, for a client, okay? They have to decide what is the priority. Lack of materials, lack of tools. We found that sometimes the priorities are changing even during the day, during the shifts. We found that sometimes we have more resources where we don't need that resources. And sometimes the priority, it's not the real priority that I would like to have.
Engine comes in, we work like crazy, we disassemble it. Got some wins there, right? Fastest disassembly you could possibly get. Then we take all those parts and what do? Shove them into the system. Quick, let's go. Get it done. The faster they go in, the faster they come out, right? That's what we did. Created 20,000 open shop orders with all the work that was being done in the shops. Now the parts start coming out. We don't allow our mechanics to assemble an engine until we have 100% of all our parts. Okay? Then they go through Concerto and they use critical chain to manage all that. So what did we gain in this implementation several years ago? 23% increase in engine production in 1 year. We hit 586 engines. Our highest engine production that I've ever seen. Been in that shop almost 19 years. 50 plus engine per month consistently. You saw prior to implementation, we were anywhere from 38 to 40. 25% increase in piece part repair. Turn time, 30% average reduction in turn time. Okay, significant asset availability increase for the airline.
We've increased our on-time deliveries from 33% to 82% in a little over 3 years. We now are working on the right things at the right time. Again, the important versus urgent.
We reduced the turnaround time by 21%, corresponding to 26 days for the narrow body and 1 day for the wide body aircraft. We are also available to expense the subcontracting 1 narrow body seat check, and we provide another aircraft to support the operation between 29 of October and 5 of December. It means that we have 1 aircraft that was available if needed to be operated.
In the 2010 performance, we did about 25,000 hours of C-check maintenance with 164 resources. This year, we did about almost 31,000 hours of maintenance with fewer resources, 151. If you look at the on-time delivery, we only completed 1 of 7 visits last year on time. This time, we completed 6 of 9. Tremendous improvement.